Hey guys, it is still New Year's Eve. Kerbeus unboxing time. Let us get it done. This is my Kerbeus. I already unboxed my brother's. So we're just going to take a quick look at the beautiful, beautiful piece of work. That is Kerbeus. One of my favorite Beyblades. If you don't know my history with Kerbeus, well, this is my first Kerbeus I ever had. Me and my brother, this is Hasbro, of course. Me and my brother battled them out against each other, and we fought them against each other, and mine broke. We had the best battle I've ever had, but it ended with a simultaneous burst finish. Mine bursting a bit more than my brother's. So, yeah, Squeaky. That was some fun that we've had together, me and Squeaky. So I got him one as well because I wanted to get him something as well to commemorate the new year. These arrived earlier today. And I got back from work and unboxed, put on stickers of his, and I decided to unbox mine right now. It's currently 10:39, so yeah, here we have it. It is Kaiser Kerbeus Limited Press. It was a revolutionary defensive Beyblade for its time. One of the best, if not the best. And let's see how it compares to the Hasbro one. Well, first thing you can notice is the fact that it literally is way better in terms of the fact that, well, it's not broken. That's what I call better. Yeah, that's a start. Right here we have a great, beautiful piece of art of a Beyblade. This one is clear plastic. There's weaker plastic used by Hasbro, of course. And then here we have beautiful, beautiful press. Beautiful defensive Beyblade part. Hasbro was a bit the same. I still need. If I wear this down, it'll be a lot better compared with this press right here, because I wore down this one quite a bit. So with excessive use, this one will wear down quite a bit, and it will round out a little bit more and act more of a ballpoint, more of a wider defense, sort of, and it's give itself a little bit more stamina than it has already. Yeah, press has awakening feature. That's basically what I'm saying. And yeah, Kerbeus is just beautiful. Let's see how it looks like with Ultimate Reboot. Wow, Ultimate Reboot is pretty tall. Yeah, it is actually pretty tall. Anyway, let's go ahead and launch it for the first time. But first, we're going to send off our Hasbro Kerbeus with this launch. So first we're going to launch off Hasbro's Kerbeus. And then we're going to launch the Takara version. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Come on, go for the burst, Kerbeus. What? 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 How? Wait, hold on. I need to test the burst resistance comparability. How's the spring on? Okay. Spring's a little bit tighter with the Keratomi press. We're gonna do that again, but this time I'm gonna launch Kaiser Kerbeus first instead of Kerbeus K2. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. This one, let it rip. me to win. Nope. I guess that's why this Kerbeus right here is my favorite. Come on. Yeah, I think it's just the fact that I'm missing a piece of my Kaiser Kerbeus. So I think it's just doing that of my Hasbro Kaiser. So I guess my Hasbro one's awakened. This is my ultimately awakened Kerbeus K2 compared to my Kaiser Kerbeus. All right, let's fight against a left spin. Well, let me put on the original driver. I was using the dash version. There we go. And let's see how it does against Longus. You know, 3, 2, 1. Actually, wait. Let's switch up the launcher. Hello? There we go. Sorry, had to get off the launcher for a second there. Switch this to right spin. Ooh, nearly broke my launcher there. Go for the attack. Okay, Kerbeus. Attack types are usually your weakness, but you got the power of stamina over it. It's a left spin. Yeah! Alright, what other Beyblades should I put up against? Let's put up against Christ Satan, just because. Christ Satan. I think I have one more I can put up against. If I can find it. Alright, so Christ Satan won that one. Now let me find my there it is. I was trying to find 3 glaive with my ultimate reboot. That's right, I'm putting on Twin Nemesis. We're gonna put it in beatdown mode first, and we're gonna put it in upper mode next. We're gonna start with Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, it's already went into attack mode. The question is, will Kerbeus survive the onslaught that's about to follow? We'll see. Come on, Kerbeus. I knew I should have launch angled. And it survives. Alright, let's switch it to upper attack mode. There we go. I just took me a minute to open it. There we go. Twin Nemesis mold issues, you know. Twin Nemesis was a precursor in a way to DB with its modes. Going for the attack. Burst him. Okay, 1, 2 clicks. 1, 2. Not bad, not bad. Wait a minute, is bearing dash better than... No, it's not. Alright, good. Hey, guys. Yo. This is... What have I done? I may have just created... No, wait. I may have just... What have I done? Kerbeus K2 Giga. What's it? high extend plus dash. Yo. Alright, you know what I'm putting that up against? Lost. Wait, Giga Bearing Dash. No, this is better. Kaiser Kerbeus, Giga Bearing Dash. Alright, well that's pretty much it for today's video. Well, of this video, to kick off the New Year's. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. I mean, look at that. Until next time, let it rip.